NX from Siemens Digital Industries Software, removing the barriers to innovation. Innovation. It's your most important advantage in today's fast-paced, hyper-competitive, disrupt or be disrupted world. Unfortunately, many of the applications used to design, validate, and manufacture products create unintended barriers to innovation. But Siemens NX breaks down those barriers, empowering you and your team to innovate better, faster, and more collaboratively. NX enables you to create designs in a fraction of the time of other software with many built-in productivity enhancements. You can even create designs that other applications can't. NX automates design optimizations based on your criteria. With design, simulation, and manufacturing capabilities seamlessly integrated in a single application, you can rapidly iterate between those features, validating performance, costs, and manufacturability far earlier in the process to create better products and accelerate time to market. And NX lets you fully take advantage of revolutionary manufacturing processes and resolve challenges in new ways. You can also use NX to automatically optimize designs based on key criteria, intelligently extending innovation even beyond what you can imagine. The reality is, you can't out-innovate your competition with software tools that place barriers and obstacles on innovation. Let us show you how NX from Siemens Digital Industries Software will transform how you create breakthrough products.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.